Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix your MOVA ViAX 500 not connecting to Wi-Fi. If it's already connected to your app, you can disconnect it without losing data like maps. On the main page, click the name, tap delete, then confirm. Now you can do all steps, whether it was previously connected or not. First, restart the robot if it's on. Open the lid, find the switch, set it to off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it on. Once on, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. As you can see, it's now on. Let's add it. Click Add, go to ViAX Series, select ViAX 500, and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Your phone must be on the same 2.4 GHz network you're trying to connect. If you have two similar networks, one with 5G and one without, select the one without 5G as it's more likely to work. Enter the password and make sure it's correct. Select that robot startup is complete. Click Next. Press and hold the OK button on the robot for 3 seconds. When it enters Bluetooth pairing mode, check the box and click Next. It'll show the robot, click Next, and it'll start connecting. That should work. If it doesn't, try moving closer to the router or phone, or try a different network. The last option is to factory reset the robot. This will delete maps and schedules, but sometimes it's the only fix. To factory reset, press and hold the Start button and OK button together for 3 to 5 seconds. It'll tell you it's being reset, and once you hear a chime, repeat the steps I showed. That's about it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.